From the living pine of the deep south comes one of our most picturesque and important agricultural industries. Rich in the traditions of the past, but geared to the tempo of the present, this industry presents a thrilling chapter in the story of American ingenuity and progress. From these pines comes the raw product called gum, the source of gum rosin and spirit of gum turpentine. These two primary products are called naval stores, coming from the early use of rosin in the caulking of ships and tarring of ropes. The United States produces about 75% of the total world supply of these important farm products. All of this comes from a group of 8 southern states reaching from North Carolina to Texas. About one-half of the entire world's supply is produced in Georgia. Throughout the Southeast, millions of acres of living pine are yielding their crop of vital gum. To provide for today and tomorrow, only trees of 9 inches in diameter or larger are worked. Working smaller trees would be unprofitable and unwise. The outer bark of the tree is cut away with an odd curved instrument called a hogel. When the rough bark is removed, the face is ready for installing tins. The broad axe is used to make a cut about 1/2 inch in depth. The gutters are then placed, and the tins are sealed with gum. An advance streak is made to stimulate production. Almost immediately, the gum begins to run from the face, down the gutters, into the cup. The tree yields on an average of about 7 to 8 pounds of fruit gum a year. Shipping begins in the early spring and continues for about 9 months or until late fall. The streak is added each week. About 1/2 inch of wood is cut away. Different instruments are used to streak the trees. The one known as the hack is used for load taking. And the puller is used as the face is worked up the tree. Crews of dippers harvest the crude gum from each tree about every 2 weeks during the summer months. This varies up to about 4 weeks, depending upon weather conditions and the quality of the tree. Following the same route on each operation, these dippers never miss a tree. When it is not practical to work a face higher, another one is started on the same tree. When the second face has reached maximum height, the trees are used for lumber, pulp, cross ties, fuel, and many other uses. In the meantime, younger ones have been grown to take their place. The gum is collected in a dip bucket. the dip buckets are full, they are poured into a barrel on the wagon. The filled barrels are carried to the loading platform. Here they are placed on trucks and taken to the Turpentine still. The proved gum is to be separated into spirit of gum turpentine and gum rosin by distillation.